Hi.
Is Daddy going with the bus?
No, he's coming home in the car. He rode once at the bus, but he prefers coming in the car. Here he comes now.
So that's what fathers are better at. No flashing.
Yeah. At first I was scared of that steep part, and then I was like...
Wow, Daniel, that was fantastic. So good. Did you see the big mountain you just came down?
One of the things we're good at.
I'm not Dada.
Mama?
Yeah?
I went.
Yeah, he does, yeah.